Page 47, D Major Etude. On page 46, they're introducing you to the D major key signature. It has two sharps, a C sharp and an F sharp. Actually, they always come in the same order in the staff, and it's F sharp is first and then C sharp. At the top there, they're showing you the D 5-finger position. Now, it's just like a regular 5-finger position, except since you have an F sharp, you got to put your fingers on that. Okay, whoopie-doo. Then they show you the primary chords, and those are important, so I'd encourage you to learn those. The 1 chord, 4 chord, 5/7 chord, both hands. Then for the middle of the page there, they show you the D major scale 2 octaves. If you don't know the scale at all, I recommend you use my scale video and do it 1 octave. Learn the scale first. And you're going to learn several scales first, just 1 octave. And then once you've done that and you're going back through them again, because you keep going back through these scales, you never really stop. Then do it 2 octaves like they're showing, except I don't like to show the music on scales. I want you focusing more on the hands and the keys and the fingering and all this. So you're focused down here, not up there in the music. The fingering is important on these scales, so get that. And then finally at the bottom, they're showing you the inversions for the 1 chord and the dominant 7th chord, which is the 5/7 chord. We've been through this on the other keys. And you can look, they look ugly, but if you're just focusing on the chords themselves, all you're doing is turning them over. Take the bottom and put it on top. And then the dominant 7 has 4 notes. Album will go. I'm going to separate the hands by an extra octave. And then you just turn it over. So the idea is you'll recognize it when you see these chords like this in music. You'll instantly recognize as what it is, and you'll be able to play the chord without having to figure out each note. Eventually. Key word is eventually. This is in 6/8 time, so an 8th note's getting a count. So at the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They kind of sound like triplets, don't they? Triplet, triplet. But they're not triplets. It's 6/8 time. It may sound the same, but it's different. It's 6/8 time. And a 1, 2, and this is just a D major scale going down. If you can play the scale, this is a piece of cake. Second line on the right hand, this like the scale going up. It's just not going all the way. Then the left hand starts out with a 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord. Second line, then the left hand gets to get in on the action, going up the scale, sort of. And that's the etude. Let's try it out really slowly and just check it. Since it's in 6/8 time, I'll give us 6 counts, and the metronome is beating 8th notes. Slowly 8th notes. So we're here to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, rest. 2, rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, rest.